Hello, welcome to next session. In this session, we'll study the special module launched by NCERT named as Partition Horror Remembrance Day. So this book was launched on the eve of Independence Day or in August 2025 when there is tension between India and Pakistan and among the world war is going on, and the book is named as Partition Horror. So partition was a horrified event where millions of people lost their life, home, property, and money, and they had to cross the new border that was marked by British. So we'll study this book, and this book will be useful for the current events part of CDS and civil services pre-exam. So starting with the introductory part, so I'm just reading it out. Partition of India came into being on 14/15 August 1947, and the two nations, India and Pakistan, were created. But this turned out to be disastrous, the consequences of which India is still grappling with today. First, the partition claimed the lives of crores of innocent people. At least 6 lakh were killed and 1.5 crore were displaced, losing their homes and property. Thousands of families were torn apart in this process. All this did not occur due to any war, neither a foreign invasion nor a civil war. In that sense, too, the partition of India was a unique tragedy in human history. Other countries have also experienced partitions in recent history, but none witnessed communal frenzy on such a scale, resulting in mass killing and displacement. Even after partition, wars took place between India and Pakistan. Numerous political, social, and communal and psychological problems have continued to emerge that India still suffers from. Therefore, it is necessary to know the horrors of the partition accurately so that such an event is not repeated. As philosopher George Santayana said, those who cannot remember the past are condemned to repeat it. For this reason, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced 4 years ago that August 14 would be observed across the country as Partition Horrors Remembrance Day. He stated, Narendra Modi Prime Minister, this is a statement of Narendra Modi Prime Minister. Partition's pain can never be forgotten. Millions of our sisters and brothers were displaced and many lost their lives due to mindless hate and violence. In memory of the struggles and sacrifices of our people, 14th August will be observed as Partition Horror Remembrance Day. 14 August 2021. That statement was on 14 August 2021. So next topic in this module is forms of horror. So under this, one terrifying aspect of the partition was the large-scale massacre of innocent people. Trains carrying refugees would sometime arrive at their destination filled only with corpses having been slaughtered en route. Communal violence destroyed countless villages or emptied them of an entire community. Second, crores of people were rendered homeless as refugees in their own country. Nearly 1.5 crore were forced to cross the new border. This became the largest displacement in human history that was not caused by any natural disaster. Some of these displaced people managed to rebuild their lives, families, and communities, but thousands never regained the stability, dignity, or prosperity they once had. They lived on but could never attain mental peace or emotional stability. It was a collective psychological trauma that lingered in the affected communities for generations. Third, there were long term social, political, and psychological consequences. Communal hostility spread between India's major religious communities. The result was violence, arson, and looting in various parts of the country. For instance, Bihar witnessed severe communal violence even though the state itself was not directly affected by the division. Another horrifying aspect was the large scale sexual violence against women and girls. In many places, women jumped into wells to protect themselves. Some horror began before partition was finalized. To press their demand, the Muslim League unleashed riots and massacres in Punjab and Bengal. The horrific event in Nokhali and Kolkata 1946 and Rawalpindi, Sohag and Babel March 1947 stand as chilling examples. These were used to psychologically pressure Indian leaders and the British government into agreeing to partition if only to stop the violence. Just before just before Direct Action Day, August 1946, Muslim League leader Muhammad Ali Jinnah threatened either a divided India or a destroyed India. That threat was tragically realized. This violence led to administrative breakdowns. Lower level officers and soldiers, most of them Indian, began to worry about their future under new rulers. This uncertainty, this uncertainty weakened administrative discipline, eroded the functioning of government machinery, and allowed riots and anarchy to spread unchecked. Given all these horror, partition of India turned into an unprecedented human tragedy with no parallel in world history. Okay, so now this is the poems of horror. Next topic in this book, in this module is how many roses. That will study in next video.